Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your currency on Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, this is a very simple thing to do, and the process is pretty much the same on both the web version and on the mobile version, and I'll go over how you can do it really quickly. Now, what you need to do, at least on the web version, is you need to go into orders and account, just click on this, and that's going to take you to this screen right over here. It's going to take you to your orders, but what you want to do is go into country, region, and language, and here, as you'll see the currency. Now, the currencies are tied to your country and region, so to change the currency, you need to select a region with more than one currency. I'll try Croatia in case they still use two currencies. No, they just use euros. So let me try another region. For example, I'm pretty sure India has several currencies maybe. So let me just try that. Maybe they still have only rupees, and it looks like India isn't even an option. I'm not sure why. But yeah, I currently don't know which regions have several currencies. But pretty much if you just want to change to another region, that will automatically change it to the new currency. As you'll see, Australia is Australian dollars, and it for some reason seems to log me out of certain regions. But yeah, you just change it to whatever country and region you want, and that's gonna automatically tell you to change the language, and then it'll also change it to other currencies as well. So for example, in Albania, you'll see the Albanian currency right over there. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. It's really nothing major, and it's very easy. On the mobile version, you just need to go into your U tab in the bottom of your screen, then go into the top right, click on the gear, and you'll also see the currency options, which are again tied to the region. But that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.